Despite receiving a go-ahead from SEBI, Jane Street appears to be playing its cards very close to its chest. Sources tell NDTV Profit that the firm has adopted an extremely cautious stance, deliberately staying away from large trades in the Indian market. Let's go across to Charu for all of the details on the story.
So the market regulator, Securities and Exchange Board of India, very recently allowed the high-frequency trading firm Jane Street to come into the Indian markets once again after it paid a penalty of over 4,800 crore rupees in an escrow account. Now, what is interesting here is that despite pushing for the bans on it to be lifted by paying this amount, the firm is not engaging in very active voluminous trades for now, as per several sources that NDTV Profit spoke to. Now, this is due to two major reasons. One is the heightened scrutiny, and number two is the expanded scope of investigation that SEBI has undertaken against the firm. Now, we already know that all of the illegal gains that were mentioned in the SEBI order were related to the Bank Nifty index and the NSE. However, the investigation from BSE's side and investigation in other indices also needs to be managed. So the impounded illegal gains amount, the quantum could increase exponentially, and the penalty amount could also increase, which also means that it could be something that could be sidelined as well, but it could in all likelihood increase tremendously, and that is why it is also a reason, because of the scrutiny and the amount that could increase in terms of how much gains they have made, that they are taking a more silent approach for now. Now, we must also understand some other things that are happening in the case for now. There is no plan to go to SAT for now. There is no action notice sent to the entity for now, and that is why they cannot get a personal hearing either. However, before they were allowed to enter back into the Indian markets, they had given an undertaking to the regulators saying that they will not be taking part in any manipulative practices. Now, this was the undertaking after which they were allowed back. Apart from this, also they have sought more time from SEBI to file their reply in response to the order that had come. They had sought an extension, will need more time to come out with some points in their defense. So we need to see how other developments roll out in this term.